My main mission is really making the world smaller for everyone. I mean, we are traveling every day. We are living busier life, faster lives, especially after pandemic. We're gonna go again traveling. And we are all global travelers. So we are used to travel between cars, trains, airplanes, and future flying cars as well. What happens if you are an active wheelchair user? You also use taxis, you also use trains and airplanes. But all these people are facing every day a lot of difficulties. You have the issue that you have to transport your wheelchair, but also your assistant has to be always with you and taking care of you. So how can we actually improve the everyday life for active wheelchair user? That was my main question when I started the project. And I wanted to start from the wheel, because actually, as you see, is the biggest part on an active wheelchair. And the wheel always been the same, never changing shape and function. And the challenge was really to create something that meets the demand of today. Basically, the wheelchair that we know is like quite bulky, so it's difficult to store in the car. But with the Revolve Air, you can save up to 60% of the space when folded. That makes it the first wheelchair that can be suitable as land luggage. The mechanism is really simple. You have two foldable wheels that fold in the same axle, together with the backrest and the seat. A simple example, like even if you are driving a compact car as a Smart, you can really fold by yourself the wheelchair. You can fold backrest and the seat together, and the footrest as like a simple trolley. And both wheels can collapse easily in the same hub, and altogether you can have really like a super compact package. The idea is also that you can develop an app, like a subscription model, where you can book your wheelchair if you are permanent or not permanent wheelchair. So you can collect the wheel and the chair at the airport before the flight. The idea is really to create a smaller place for everyone.
Thank you very much, Andre. Please stick around just for a couple of questions. I thought that was a really great pitch, very clear, appreciated by everyone. And what inspired you to come up with this solution? I mean, do you know anyone who is using a wheelchair, or?
Actually, the funny fact that the wheel itself is being like a challenge for myself to invent something, to reinvent the wheel, basically.
Right, yeah.
And then, since I presented the project 2 years ago,
yeah,
I got in contact with a lot of Paralympics athletes. And they told me, if you do that in a wheelchair, you will improve our life.